All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, we're looking at a market making new highs is what we're looking at. And you know what else has been at new highs? Your participation. That's right. You've been smashing that like button. So thank you very much and signing on for Tasty Live. We do appreciate it. Helps us keep the lights on here and everything free into perpetuity. But what are we going to look at right now? Well, we're going to look at IWM, and we're going to get a little bit of short delta in there with a lot of credit received. Let's take a look at it. IWM right now, IV rank of 47, quite high. Remember, this is an ETF, no earnings or anything that has to be taken care of. It's up $1.34. That's about a 0.5% move. And you can see here that IWM has been an overperformer compared to the rest of the market. I'm talking about the E-mini S&Ps and the NASDAQ at all-time highs or just off all-time highs there. What am I looking to do? Well, I'm going to go to the trade page. I'm going to go to June. I'm going to go with a strangle here because volatility is high. Matter of fact, you ask how high is it? Well, I'm going to go here and show you our high option volume list. Here's IWM. You can see the highs and the lows for the day. You can put whatever you want in these boxes to show you. But look at this, the IVX 5-day change. That means the volatility over the last 5 days. What's been going on in IWM? It's actually upticking by 2% to give us that IV rank of 47. Why is that significant to me? Well, volatility in ETFs doesn't typically go up on the way up. It usually goes up on the way down because there's put skew. So I'm going to lean with a little bit of short delta. Why? Well, got to have direction sometime. I'm going into June. I'm going into the call that's going to have around, I don't know, like a 20 to 30-ish delta. I'm going to 290 call. So I'm going a little bit closer than I normally do with a 30 delta short. That's going to give me just about 30 short deltas. This is a standalone trade. Looks like a nice trade because it has a 73% pop if you just wanted to be directionally short in IWM. I'm going to add a put to it because volatility is high, and I really don't know what direction IWM is going, but I'm going to have an assumption. I'm going to go all the way down to 255. Why 255? Well, that's about a 20-ish delta option. So I'm selling a 30 delta option, selling another 20 delta option with long delta, which net gives me about 7 or 8 short deltas on the overall trade, using around $4,000. I collected $8.26 on this. I did this when IWM was a little bit higher. As a matter of fact, you say, how high was it? Well, let's take a look. You can go right here and go to the follow page, click on the follow page. I'm bat option trades today because that's what you're watching. You'll see I did this at 10:01 today, right after I got off the show. The stock was around $276 or just about 80, 90 cents higher than where it is right now. I sold a strangle with a 63% pop for $826. You can get those in real time if you're on the Tasty Trade platform. Now, for those who said, hey, Bat, do me a favor, go to the curve view. This is for you. I'm going to click on the curve view here and take a look at this trade. Give me one moment here. There you go. I'm going to click on the curve view here. Here is the trade that I have on at the bottom here for $8.15. That's $815 with $15 in theta decay. About 7 short deltas, which is relatively small, all things being considered. P50, that's the probability of making 50% of that $8 and change, is around 78%, and the overall trade has a 63% probability of success. I like to have at least a 60 to 65% probability of success on all trades that I put on that sell premium. Here's your break even, further away on the put side, closer on the call side, and there's your win window in between here. If this was 2 contracts, it'd be $1,600. If it was 1 contract, it will be the $800. I unclicked the trade there, and you'll see $826 because that's where I put the trade on. All right, everybody, that's my trade for today, going right into the ETFs. No earnings issues. And you know what else you have no issue with? Bringing your account to Tasty Trade. Patent day trading rules going away on June 4th. So please move your account to Tasty Trade immediately, if not sooner, and take advantage of all the perks and patent day trading going away June 4th.